Hey guys, so today I'm filming a Tula makeup and hair tutorial, otherwise known as Caroline Cossey, of course. If you guys don't know who she is, I definitely recommend you do a little bit of research because she is really one of the trailblazers of the transsexual community. She was a Bond girl. She had a really lovely career for 7 years. And then the tabloid, this was back in the 80s, and the tabloids ended up outing her as transsexual. So when the tabloids outed her, her man left her as requested by the man's mom. Her career really totally stopped. And she actually took it upon herself to do the talk show circuit. So like Phil Donahue, Joan Rivers, she was on all of those, and we truly, bottom of my heart, have her to thank, I think, for people to realize, think about it, these programs were on during the day. You have mostly probably suburban moms watching, and she was right there on the screen, beautiful, stunning, and she was letting people know that we weren't men in dresses, we weren't drag queens or anything like that, we were just regular women. So I have so much love for Tula. She has a book out, such a trailblazer. When I think of LGBT icons, she is like right up there. I don't think people give her the flowers that she deserves. So I just wanted to do this as an homage to someone I'm a huge fan of. This is like another part in my series of transsexual trailblazers. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy the video. It's all loose, like it's inspired by her kind of as a whole. So the hair was just curled with a 1-inch curling iron and then brushed out, honestly. And it's inspired by these photos. Then for the makeup, she didn't wear a lot of makeup. It was very, very glowy, beautiful, golden goddess. So I wanted to kind of do that, something a little different than what I would normally do. And I love it. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Okay, everyone. So we're starting out with a little bit of Louise Base on the eyes, just for creasing and for kind of evening out of the eyelid color. I don't want anything super opaque. This is all very natural and things like that. And then I'm applying the Danessa Myricks Smooth Effects Refining Gel, and totally obsessed with the new Physicians Formula Butter Dream Team Face Palette. I'm using that, and I'm using the top left color, the bottom left color, and the top right color. And then I'm also using the Physicians Formula Murumuru Butter Glow Face Palette. Please excuse me if that's said a different way, but I'm using the lightest color in that. I really, I've loved Physicians Formula forever, but these palettes are really standouts for me. I definitely recommend having them in your collection. And it's nice that it's a bit deeper as well too, the Dream Team face palette. Then I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer under the eyes, as well as just in like problem areas where there might be a little bit of a breakout or things like that. I am going to be taking the bronzer from the Physicians Formula palette and using that in the crease, and then under the eye as well too, to kind of darken up that concealer. Then I'm using the e.l.f. Putty blush in Bahamas, the e.l.f. Putty bronzer in Tan Lines, and the e.l.f. e.l.f. Jelly highlighter in Bubbly. I then go over it with the e.l.f. Multi-Dimensional Face and Body Shimmer in Luna. This is phenomenal. It feels so glow from within. I have that over the jelly highlighter, which Honestly, so beautiful. I have the bronzer around the perimeter of the face and the jawline, and the blush on the apples of the cheeks. And I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder here just to set the under eyes and tone down the blush a bit. I always like to go a little bit ham with my blush at first because I know that I'm going to have highlighter over top of it, which will kind of subdue the color. So now I'm just using that bronzer under my eye to darken up that concealer, just because it is fairly light. I don't normally go for no makeup. If I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it hard, you know what I mean? So that's why I don't really have any concealers that are my exact skin tone. So yeah, just taking the top left and bottom left colors in the Dream Team Face Palette by Physicians Formula. And then I go ahead and I use the Makeup Revolution Eye Glisten Liquid Eyeshadow and It's Fate over top of the shimmer that I had on my eyes from the Dream Team Face Palette, the top right color. This is the Jelly Highlighter. It is so beautiful. If you guys are wanting to experiment with jelly highlighters or anything like that, definitely recommend the e.l.f. one. It's inexpensive and stunning. Yeah, that's pretty much all I can say there. I'm lining my lips with the Bobbi Brown lip pencil in Bobbi. This used to be one that I wore every single day. Love her lip pencils. And then over that, I use the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in Burnt Spice. Oh, and this here is the e.l.f. Multi-Dimensional Face and Body Shimmer in Luna. It's just so stunning. And then over the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color, I use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. And that's the Murumuru Butter Glow face palette there as well too. I used a bit of. Yeah, just kind of fixing my eyebrows, putting on some mascara, after curling my lashes, of course. This was definitely not the average look for me, but it's stunning, and, well, at least to me it is, and Tula definitely worked it. Had to do it justice, I suppose. But yeah, that's the Fenty Gloss Bomb. I hope you all really enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye!